Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI. Are you tired of being in the dark? There's nothing worse than poor lighting. Let me introduce you to this super versatile ring light. This little clip-on ring light is from Kimwood. It's going to clip on to virtually anything that you need it to, whether it's your cell phone, a tripod, your computer, your laptop, really anything. It's lightweight. It comes with a variety of color temperature choices, and it even dims. This thing is rechargeable. It's so easy to take anywhere with you. So whether you are video conferencing, you're a content creator, or you're just tired of always being in the dark when you take a photo of yourself, this is the little ring light that could. You are going to be so happy that you got this. It's so easy to use, it's convenient, and it really packs a punch. I just want to show you the difference between when I didn't have it and then when I was using it. So you can really see how it brightens up everything. And again, it's so easy, it clips exactly where you need it to be. I'm really happy with this lightweight, versatile, and bright ring light. The fact that it recharges and it's wireless, it has so many options for me, it even dims. This really has it all. You are not going to be sorry when you grab this ring light, and that is my point of view.